Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have the rights and environment to inspect traces. Log into the device as an administrator and open Chrome normally. Once done, check whether the user was signed into Chrome or Google. That determines if activity synced to Google My Activity. Make sure not to open a new Incognito window yet. Instead, visit Chrome//History and Google My Activity to compare saved records. These initial checks reveal what's already recorded and whether incognito sessions might still leave indirect artifacts. Next, dive into system and network records to find indirect traces. On Windows, run ipconfig/displaydins. On Mac OS, use sudo killolinfo mdns responder outputs and inspect router logs for domain requests. These often persist even if incognito hides browser history. Also check Chrome extension settings, system temp folders, and OS-level prefetch or unified logs. Extensions enabled in incognito or system caching can reveal visited sites. Make sure to export any logs you need before they rotate, and note timestamps to correlate sessions. Finally, assemble the evidence into a clear timeline. Match Chrome session times with DNS entries and router logs to identify probable incognito activity. Once done, export logs and save copies for review, then cross-check against Google My Activity if the user was signed in. This can surface sync searches. If expected records are missing, make sure logs weren't auto-cleared. As a troubleshooting tip, verify system time zones and log retention settings, because mismatched timestamps are the most common reason traces look absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.